If you're tired of the same old clothes or run into fashion dilemmas, I'm going to show you 14 awesome DIY clothing life hacks that everyone should know and that's guaranteed to change your life. Here we go. If you're tired of the same old sweater and you're living that hashtag broke life, here's a simple hack to transform any shirt. Take the sleeve and turn it inside out and put your hand through it. Then adjust the top sleeve and ta-da! The sweater has transformed itself into an off-the-shoulder with no cutting or sewing. Deodorant marks. Give this video a thumbs up if you can relate to this. Here is a simple and effective life hack to get rid of these fast. Take a baby wipe or a makeup removing wipe and simply wipe away the mess. It's quick, easy, and you'll get to wear the shirt right away without having to wash it. Booyah! If you're over the same old skirt, here's a quick DIY to switch it up. Wear as a peplum top and add a belt to accessorize. Ta-da! 2-in-1. And you can also flip the skirt to make it into a fun, flowy summer top. If your favorite closed-toe shoes happen to be a little stinky, here's a hack to help you avoid the stink next time. Just take your favorite shoes, buy some panty liners, and add this to the bottom of the shoe. That way, anytime your foot gets sweaty, the panty liner will soak up the sweat and your shoe will dodge the stink. The best part is you can easily replace these with another liner. It's a cheap hack to help you keep your favorite shoes smelling yum. If you're bored and want to spice up your leggings and something else, take a white makeup eyeliner and trace half a circle around the pelvic area. Then cut around the circle and tidy up any messy areas. Put your legs through the new opening and use the leg cloth as the new sleeves. If you prefer less of a low cut like myself, cut the circle a little shorter next time. Another quick DIY with the same leggings is to tie the legs or new sleeves around the neck and you've got yourself a really cute open back shirt. A quick traveling hack to pack light. Start with the top and put the matching bottoms in the middle, layer on top your bra, underwear, and then fold both sides and add the socks on each side. Roll the outfit into a burrito style. Then take the ends of the socks or pants to wrap the burrito, kind of like Chipotle being wrapped in aluminum. And ta-da! You have an entire outfit in the little burrito form. Super quick and easy to pack, plus minimal wrinkling will occur. If your velvet shoes are looking a bit scruffy, just take a nail filer and rub it against the shoes. This hack will help pick up any residues or lint hairs that are otherwise too time-consuming to pick up by hand. Your velvet shoes will look amazing. If you struggle to untangle your necklaces or bracelets, this hack will simplify your life. All you're going to need are straws. I recommend the thicker ones so you can loop through the necklaces or bracelets much faster. The straw will keep one side of the jewelry stern, thus not letting it interact with the other side and not letting the jewelry tangle. This is a cheap and effective way to organize your jewelry at no cost to you. If you're just breaking into shoes, you know how painful that can be, so I'm going to help you skip right through the pain with this simple hack. Take the shoes that are too tight for you, add some water to a Ziploc bag, insert it into the shoe, and freeze the shoe. When you take out the frozen water, it will have already stretched out the shoe, so more comfort and less pain for you. If you have a small closet and you're in need of more space, all you'll need is a soda can tab, and you're going to clip the tab through the hanger. Then you can add another hanger and organize your clothes. This is especially great if you like to pair your clothes and prepare outfits. You'd be surprised how this simple trick can clear out so much room from your closet space. Oh, the struggle of putting on a bracelet all by yourself. I know how frustrating this can be, so for this hack, take a paper clip and twist it until it forms an S. Then loop an end to one of the bracelet spirals, hold the clip with the palm of your hand, and use the other hand to clip the bracelet together. Once it's clipped, slide the paper clip out and you're done. A quick shoe hack to whiten sneakers fast, taught by my mom, is to use toothpaste, specifically the white one. Take a toothbrush and scrub the dirt out with white toothpaste. All the dirt and stains will be gone in no time. Take a sweater to create a useful, quick computer bag. Fold the bottom part and then the sides. Roll it once and take the hoodie to secure it in place. Then with the sleeves, tie them together and you've got yourself a bag, plus a cute computer case. Deodorant. Sometimes on these hot days you can get these really embarrassing pancakes. So take some panty liners and stick them on the inside of your shirts. You can even position them however you'd like, double layer them, and the best part is it soaks up all that sweat and you won't even feel them. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe and turn notifications on for more useful hack videos and future giveaways. Congratulations to Joji for being the cool person of the day. If you want to be in the next video, follow me on Twitter and Instagram and turn notifications on and I'll pick you. Check out my last video over here and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye!